Hope you're having a great day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on what is affiliate marketing. And if you see me looking down at the camera, it's because I took a great deal of notes, as I always do, so that I can give you the best advice and tips and strategies to help you, the viewer, to make a decision and to help you in your online marketing venture. And with that, we'll jump right in. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which the company compensates a third-party vendor, which would be you, the affiliate. And it also offers incentives, kickbacks. Some companies, after you make so many sales, offer the affiliate program for free because there are paid affiliate marketing and there's free affiliate marketing. Free affiliate marketing, great example that would be like selling hosting. I know companies like HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost. They offer free affiliate They offer free affiliate plans where you can sign up, but it's up to you. You can go ahead and check it out or check out the link below, in which I will provide a affiliate company. If you want, you can check it out. Affiliate marketing is a great way and a great tool to use to build a part-time income. If you're looking for another income stream, affiliate marketing is a way to go. Not only in affiliate marketing do you get to learn sales, but it helps you increase your knowledge of online marketing. A lot of affiliate plans also offer free training, and most of the paid affiliate marketing plans do offer training along with your monthly fees you might have to pay. Whereas with the free affiliate marketing, they give you a couple of videos and a couple of tips and tell you what you should do and how you should market in order to drive customers and leads to your affiliate link, which in terms, if the customers buy after signing up, you get a kickback, which in the form of a commission, which is a great way to make a part-time income, because right now a lot of people are looking for another way to make an income, and affiliate marketing is the way. And affiliate marketing is actually the best way, and there's several hundreds of affiliate marketing companies, network marketing companies. You could sell in services, goods. A lot of people are in the health and wellness affiliate marketing niche. That's a good one to be in. Whereas right now, this day and time, a lot of people are looking to stay healthy, get fit. And with that being said, if you like the video, share, subscribe, comment, click the bell notification below, as I will be coming out with more videos by the end of this week about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and the list goes on, to help you better understand how to how to capitalize on some of these opportunities that are available out to you for free, as well as the paid version. With that being said, thank you. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.